Hi there, welcome to December's Recipe Club. Being December, Christmas, New Year, we're going to have some indulgent Christmas themed recipes. The first one is an orange scented chocolate fudge with dry cranberry and macadamia nut, and the second one is a mulled wine syrup. A syrup that you can prepare way in advance. It's got all the flavour profiles you need for mulled wine, and you just pour it into your warmed red wine the evening you need it. They look really nice too, so you can give them as a gift. First recipe will be the chocolate fudge. First thing we're going to do, we're going to toast the macadamia nuts. The oven's preheated, 180. There they are, beautiful golden brown. I'm going to allow them to cool, give them 10 minutes, then I'll chop them up, same size as the dried cranberry. Usually when you're making fudge, you have to make a caramel on the stove, use a sugar thermometer, can be quite dangerous. This is really simple. It's the condensed milk that does the magic here really. I've got my 400 grams of chocolate, 75 grams of butter. We're going to pour in the condensed milk. Then I'm going to take it over to the stove. Over a low heat, I'm going to melt everything, make sure it's fully incorporated. So the chocolate, the butter, the condensed milk is all incorporated. I'm going to add the dry ingredients, cranberry, orange zest, here I have my container which I'm going to set the fudge in, lined with some non-stick baking parchment. Then here I've got a bit of hot water and a spoon to spread it out. So the fudge is set overnight, set perfectly. You can see the contrasting colours. You've got the cranberry, macadamia nuts. You can smell the orange. I've divided mine between three. Left this one plain, this one with the cacao nibs, really nice texture, and obviously being Christmas, some silver candy balls. Next stage is to dice them into approximately 3 centimetre cubes. Then you can bag them up, give them as gifts, or just put them on the table for everyone to share over Christmas. They do freeze well. You can keep them in the freezer for up to 3 months. Now I'm going to show you how to make the mulled wine syrup. So the first step is to put the sugar, 250 grams of caster sugar, into a pan, 600 ml of water, all of the dried spices, put that on the stove over a medium heat. So the next step is I'm going to take the peel from the oranges and the lemons, then put that into the syrup. Using a vegetable peeler, very simple. You want to avoid heavy. So I have juiced the lemons and the oranges. Use the ones that I peeled obviously. Now I'm going to add this to the syrup. So the syrup has been simmering away for 40 minutes, it's ready. Here we have a 400 ml kilner jar. This will keep for a couple of weeks. And again, this recipe is enough for 2 bottles of wine. That will continue to steep and mature in flavour. So if you're just going to do 1 bottle of wine, use half of this jar. That's 2 Obviously use the full jar. Beautiful, preserved mulled wine syrup.